Hi, Ra. I either need to put the girls in with you or I need to let you out because you guys are calling to each other. And Talon's hanging out over here by the gate. So, wait. She's calling you. You see her? You hear her? Come on, Ra. Come on, let's go find your girlfriends. No, I don't trust him at all, so I'm walking backwards. Good boy. Where's Charlie? Charlie! Yeah, you look like you're getting ready to lay an egg.
Excuse me. Welcome back to Spirit Tail Farms on this beautiful day before a storm. As you can tell, it is very windy out here today. But I think I'm gonna tear down my round pen panels and move them and actually make a secondary pen for my does. And then that way they'll have two pens. And I'll get a bale of hay brought in for them over there, and then I could separate Mr. Moby here from the does and the babies until I can assess how he's going to be with them. Since it's his first kidding season, I mean, he was here last year, so I was able to give him like the placentas and the nummies, but I had Emma in here, so I didn't need him in here. So this year, I'm gonna have him patrolling around the outside of their pen while they have their babies. And then I'll slowly introduce him when I'm out here during the day. I'll slowly introduce him to the new babies because I can't trust him. He's not 2 years old yet. He won't be 2 until July. So he's still in that puppy stage, which I found out yesterday. And of course, Pyrenees, completely deaf when they get the tunnel vision going. But that's Pyrenees for you. So I want to make sure my babies are safe, and I want to make sure that I set him up for a good deal with it, and he doesn't get overly excited for babies. He's done really well with the yearlings. I've caught him kind of, when they've kind of gotten rough housing, I have caught him chasing them. So that's why I'm kind of a little bit leery. Go. You're not going to be doing that. No, you guys are about to kid in less than 40 days. And you're doing that? Let's not do that. Poor Shimmy. I know, right? She had you down in the corner. But we're gonna do a little update. Belle, I swear, I know where there's a trailer. Keep it up. I'll keep your baby. But let's get a little update on everybody's chunkiness. And I think Lyra is going to be the first one to go. So let's check some udders and some backsides and see where we're at with how full udders are getting. She's getting there. And she's getting soft. She's gonna be mad at me. Oh, told ya! Yeah, I know, I groped you. I'm sorry. I think she's gonna be the one going first. The twins. Of course, she's wide. Huh, no. Huh. You're all right. I got a feel, though. No, not anywhere close. Lyra's definitely looking like she's definitely the first one to go. Everybody else still looks a little flabby. Come here! Piper! Piper! She's getting soft back there, too. I don't know what to do with her bag. Or she's probably going to be throwing twins, too. Hi, Lamb. You're getting soft. Ooh, you're getting full. Yeah, you're getting full. So between Lamb and Lyra so far, you're not bred. Honestly, I don't know if she's even bred. She might be. I know, Shimmy. I know. You're all right. You're all right. How about a butt scratch? I can do a butt scratch. Is that right there? Is that the spot? Huh? Is that the spot? Yeah? Yeah? I can't tell. She's too fluffy back there, so it's a little sketchy. Of course, Susie Q. Finding those new branches off the willow tree, aren't you? How are you doing? You're getting soft. Oh, still a little soft back there on both sides. Shimmy, I'm the only one that I'm still concerned about is Shimmy. I think everybody else, sorry, Belle. I know you saw it coming. She's not bagging up either, and I might have to turn her and Shimmy back out with the buck if they don't start bagging up anytime soon. All right, Lulu, how's your bag doing? Oh, you're getting pretty full too. Only one I didn't check is Maya because she's out there laying down. Kalani won't let me touch her, but she's starting to bag up. Of course, Piper's bagging up. Sugar is not bagging up. Of course, she's losing fluff. You're losing fluff, Sugar. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. It's snowing. It's snowing. My goodness, Shug. Hi, Kenzie. She is getting to be a really neat speckled. I mean, it's not, she's frosted, I guess is what you would call it. But she's definitely not red and she's definitely not white. Huh, I wouldn't even know what you call that. Frosting? And of course the camera's not picking it up as well, but maybe when she loses her fluff it'll look, you'll be able to see it a little bit better. But she's definitely a different color. I mean, you see the back of her legs. I mean, how weird is that? I mean, you see her lighter back legs and her lighter front legs, but she's got a darker saddle. What you got going on there, Belle? Oh, that's just your bag. Oh, well, I do rub belly rub. I can do a belly rub. No, you just want a head rub. We'll do a head rub. All right. Yes, Sugar. No babies for you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But I had to wait for this hernia to heal.
Moby! Moby! No! Noisy vehicle. Insists on chasing it. I got to finish getting this netting down, but got the greenhouse done. I still got to put a couple more pieces of wood on it because it looks like the piece of wood I stuck there did not stay. But that's, I think, next project, and then that way this is weeds that are growing here, and I got one goat that comes in here and snacks on a little bit of grass, but I think this area is going to be turned into more of a garden area because I could build boxes for like my pumpkin and all that. Since the walnut tree won't let anything grow underneath it, that's why everything's dead over here besides the few flowers I got. That A-frame's got to be moved over somewhere else. I'm thinking of putting it up there where the scratching post is that I gotta fix. Yeah, on second thought, I don't know. Because the babies can still go under that panel. Totally forgot about that. And Moby can also scoot under it. The only way this would work is I'd have to buy a 2-foot section of 100-foot wires. No, don't eat those. Quit.
got the horses blocked out here. Of course, Bobby can still go under that, so I'll have to figure out something to put underneath the bottom of that. But it's alright. Now maybe this grass in here will grow out, the horses will be in here. Nope, you can't go out that way. You gotta go out the other gate. You gotta go out the other gate, Symphony. Symphony! No! Gate's closed. You gotta go out this one. Put down the round pen panels. There's not much over there. It's just, I think it's mostly clover right through there. Of course, Symphony's going, what the hey? I can't get out over here anymore? No, you gotta go around, Symphony. Hey! Maybe I better put that block underneath the edge of the thing. Hold on. Are you looking for the mineral block? Huh? Yeah, I moved it. I had to move it. To the horse's side, and that's what she was looking for. So it'll sit there for right now. Kenzie, you're gonna knock that over. Kenzie! You goober. Nice full pond. We got more rain coming in tonight. Of course, I got one bucket there I need to get. There's another one buried in there. I have them all over. I got holes in them cut for either baby goats or chickens with babies. Things like that that need to get out of the weather, rain real quick when we have some of those flash storms move through. But of course, when we have high winds just blow them all over the place. Hopefully nobody messes with those panels that I got sitting there. I know they're not going to stay there, but I needed to get them up off the ground. I'm debating on putting them across here. I don't know. I wish the neighbors... Nope, not even going to say it. Don't know if you can hear them or not, but yeah, they get my dogs going, and then Moby's over there by the big barn, probably watching. Bill! Bonnie! Nellie! Kinsey! And Lola is all the way back out there. And then Belle. You're rotten. You are. You're rotten. I don't even know what to tell you.